everybody, I wanted to do a really quick video about the Premium Starter Kit because I know I put up a lot of graphics about it and talk about it a lot, and while I know what a great value it is and how amazing it is, most people that are looking at these graphics are probably like, what am I being sold here? What is she talking about? So while I'm not trying to sell you anything, I do want you to know how amazing this whole starter kit actually is. So right here, this is one of several choices that you have in diffusers. This is the Dewdrop diffuser. I have about 15 of these in my house. This is one of them that comes with the Premium Starter Kit. And then this is the actual starter kit with all of these oils. These are your everyday oils. These are your Vitality line oils. So they're labeled specifically so that you know that these can be ingested. So you have peppermint, thieves, digize, or as I called it for a very long time, Tajizi, copaiba, lemon, and then down here is Panaway, RC, purification, frankincense, and lavender. That's a lot. Now, I could describe what each one of these can do for you and what they're for, but that is like a basic 101 class. And that's for a different time, and that takes a little bit longer. I just wanted you to see what's in it. But not only do you get this, so you lift this right off. Underneath, you get these sample bottles if you want to send some to your friends once you realize how amazing this is. You've got some little sachets right here. You can put them in your car. These are just so you can put your name on cards if you decide you're going to share them with friends and they can contact you. Then you have the Ningxia Red. You get two of these. Two of these were enough for me to get hooked. Both myself and my husband have one of these. I actually use these, like the travel pouches, the 2-ounce travel pouches, every single morning. I can't talk to you enough about this right now. It's amazing stuff. And then you get a bonus oil. And that bonus oil is Stress Away. And if anyone does the Wednesday morning practice with Jen O'Sullivan, yoga practice with me, that is what you're smelling. So this is the 15 milliliter bottle, and I have a lot of these. This is a proprietary blend, and what's in this is, just to name a few things, copaiba, vanilla, lavender, and lime. And the combination of it's amazing. The scent is amazing, and I generally have people all around me in yoga that are just, they just want to know what the heck I have on. So that is the Premium Starter Kit, and I hope that it gives you a little bit more. My cameraman sucks. It gives you a better idea of what is in the Premium Starter Kit. And it's not that funny, but it is amazing. So that's the Premium Starter Kit. Let me know if you have any questions, as always. Thank you.